Do you know many people are having trouble with their Panasonic phone giving a busy signal? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check pairing. Ensure a cellular phone is paired with the base unit to avoid busy signals. Step 2. Check line usage. Verify that no other users are occupying the line on the phone system. Step 3. Reduce interference. Move the handset closer to the base unit to minimize interference. Step 4. Manage call blocks. Disable any active call block or telemarketing screen features. Step 5. Disconnect devices. Disconnect other Bluetooth devices connected to the base unit. By following these steps, your Panasonic phone should now work without giving a busy signal. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Panasonic users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.